In this video, I'm going to show you how to register your Yamaha keyboard for warranty. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and go to yamaha.com. I'm in Australia, so it's going to do au.yamaha.com, but if you're in the US, you might be US, or for Euro, it's going to be something different. But basically, this is the main website for Yamaha. So what we basically need to do from here is click on the user profile on the top right hand corner of the page. So before we can register our keyboard, we need to go ahead and create an account of Yamaha, or we can sign into our account. So I'm just basically going to go ahead and register via my Google account, but we've got Facebook, Twitter, Apple, or you can just put in your email. So yeah, for this demonstration, just going to register with my Google account. So click continue. So now I'm just going to go ahead and fill this out. So what I did, I just clicked back onto here, and then I'm going to sign back in my Google account. All right, so I'm going to click on my account again. Then from here, I might need to complete the sign up process. So I'm going to just fill this out and click submit. All right, so now I've completed the sign up process. Now I want to click onto my user icon again, and now you can see this has changed a bit. So we can see my details, email address, etc., etc. Now from here, what we need to do is click onto my products, and then we need to click on the register new product tab. Now this is where we can go ahead and register your Yamaha keyboard. So put in your model here, and where it says required fields, that's the required fields you need to fill out. Then put in your serial number, and then we need to upload a receipt. So this can be PDF, HEIC, JPEG, PNG, etc. with a max size of 4 megabytes. So take a photo of your receipt, and then when did you buy it? So put in a date when you put it, and also did you buy it in online or in store. So if you bought it online, choose online, in store, choose in store. And now how would this item be used primarily? So we've either got personal use, commercial use, or education use, and then go ahead and click on register. Now once that is done, you've successfully registered your Yamaha keyboard for warranty.